In this video, we will understand Bohr's model of an atom. The Bohr's model of the atom was proposed by Niels Bohr in 1915. It came into existence with the modification of Rutherford's model of an atom. The revolution of the electron in a circular orbit is not expected to be stable. Any particle in a circular orbit would undergo acceleration. During acceleration, charged particles would radiate energy. Thus, the revolving electron would lose energy and finally fall into the nucleus. If this were so, the atom should be highly unstable, and hence, matter would not exist in the form that we know. But we know that atoms are quite stable. In order to overcome the objections raised against Rutherford's model of the atom, the Bohr's model of the atom was proposed by Niels Bohr in 1915. Bohr theory modified the atomic structure model by explaining that electrons move in fixed orbitals and not anywhere in between. And he also explained that each orbit has a fixed energy. Bohr's model consists of a small nucleus surrounded by negative electrons moving around the nucleus in orbits. Bohr found that an electron located away from the nucleus has more energy, and the electron which is closer to nucleus has less energy. Niels Bohr put forward the following postulates about the model of an atom. In an atom, electrons revolve around the positively charged nucleus in a definite circular path called orbits or shells. Each orbit or shell has a fixed energy, and these circular orbits are known as orbital shells. The energy levels are represented by an integer, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These numbers are known as the quantum number. This range of quantum number starts from nucleus side with 1 having the lowest energy level. The electrons in an atom move from a lower energy level to a higher energy level by gaining the required energy. And an electron moves from a higher energy level to lower energy level by losing energy.